Assalamu alaikum, Fatima Zahra, Noura. Today, inshallah, we're going to start Arabic. And inshallah, I hope it's going to be very easy for you. So, the first thing I want to tell you is if you find any problem or difficulties in these lessons, please tell me, okay? Don't be shy. It's okay. We are always learning from each other, okay? So please correct me if I make a mistake or remind me to change something or to explain more what I'm talking about, okay? So as you know, today we're going to start with harfu al-ba, harfu al-ba, which is this one. In English is the letter ba, which is this one. So again, just as a reminder, Arabic, as any other language, a word is a bunch of letters. For example, this one here, when we say ha, ra, fa, you see this one here on its own, actually, this one here, this one on its own, ha, it's a letter, okay? On its own, it's a letter. Ra, this guy here too, on its own is a letter. And then fa, the last one, on its own is a letter. So combined together, they form the word harfu, the letter. Harfu al-ba. We will do this letter, okay? So first, let's start with our first letter in Arabic, which is ba. And then we're gonna add, and I guess you know this already, we're gonna add signs, which in Arabic are called tashkil. Very good. So this one here, the first one here, let me do something here because I know this guy's gonna bother me here. So I'm gonna reduce the width of the stroke. Good. So this guy here, this one here, this first sign is called fatha. And every time you see fatha, it's always above or on top of the letter. And the sound this sign makes is a. So when this one is added to ba, it becomes ba. Very good. Now, what if I add an alif like this one here to the ba? Where this one here on its own is called alif. So when I add alif to any letter, the sound becomes longer, For example, in this case, it will be ba. You see, ba, short. When I add alif, it becomes ba. Very good. Now, what about these two signs here? These two guys here. Actually, these are called fathatan, which means two fatha. Two of these guys here. You see, this one here, when it's only on its own, when it's only one, is called fatha. Very good. When there are two of them, like this, they are called fathatan. That means two fatha. Fathatan. Very good. And the sound these guys make is n. For example, in this case, when I add these to alif and ba, it becomes ben. Okay, again, ba, ben. Now what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna try to write each one of them. So this way you know how to write them, okay? This is the line, for example, like on your notebook. So you do this. We come from the top a little bit. This is the first step. The second step is you draw a line like this, okay? Then the third step is like this. You go up a little bit. And then the fourth one and last one is the dot. But of course, there is an easy way to do it. You don't have to do like 1, 2, and 3. That's a headache, right? What if we do it this way, actually? I put down my pen on the paper like this, and I'm gonna keep my pen down all the way, and I'm gonna drag it to the left here, and then up, yes, like this, and then add the dot. Again, let's do it again. I'm gonna start from here, and my pen is still the same position, moving around my fingers, and here we go. This is ba. Very good. Ba, the same thing. I start from above the line, then keep going, then go up, and that's alif, and that's ba, ba. You see, ba, ba. As for the last one, it's going to be like this. The same thing, up, that, and then fathatan, ben, ben. I hope you got it. Very, very good. Let's delete all these guys here now and go to the second sign. This one here is called damma, 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 damma. Very good. And the sound that the sign makes is o, o. For example, bo, bo. I'm going to do it here. Bo, bo. Ba, and then I'm going to add the sign on the top. It becomes bo. You see, ba, this one is ba, this one is bo. Very good. This one here on its own, this guy here, it's called wow, wow, wow. And the sound the letter wow makes is like longer o, like ooh. For example, in this case, it becomes boo, boo. Very good. So I'm gonna write down my ba, then wow. Look at wow. You see, wow go like this one here. It's called the descender. It goes like beneath the line on your notebook, and it is boo, boo. Very good. Okay, these two guys here. You see here are called fathatan, fathatan, fathatan. That means two of these fatha. This one is the same thing. These are called dammatan, which means two of this guy here. Damma. Again, dammatan, dammatan. That means two of these two guys here. And the sound this sign makes is un, un. This is n, n. This is un, un. Again, n, n, n. This is un. So it becomes, very good, it becomes bun. Very good, it becomes bun. Again, bu, boo, because we have wow here. Boo. Because of these two signs here, it becomes bun, bun. Very good, girls, very good. So let me do this guy here. I'm gonna delete this guy first, and then this guy's, so this way it stays clean. Okay, back again to our sign. The last one is this guy here. This one here is called kasra, 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 kasra. And kasra actually is always on the bottom of the letter, and the sound it makes is e, e, e. For example, here, when I have it with ba, ba, it becomes b, b. Very good. Yeah, yeah is another letter, okay? And the sound these guys make with the kasra is e. It's a longer e, e. You see, b, 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 b. Very good, b. And then the last one is this one here. Again, it's called kasra tan. That means two of this guy. You see, this one here is kasra, only one. Kasra, only one. Here, it's called kasra tan. That means two of them. Very good. Okay, so kasra tan is pronounced in, like an e, in. This one is like an a, double, n, n. This one, dammatan, dammatan is un. This one is in, bin, bin, bin. I hope you got it. And again, as a reminder, please do not be shy or embarrassed or anything to ask me any question, okay? Either on the phone or in person or here by leaving the comments on YouTube. So, okay, let's do it again. Ba, this is called fatha again. Fatha, fathatan, damma, dammatan, kasra, kasratan. Okay, last time. Ba, ba, ben, bu, boo, bun, bi, bi, bin. Very good, girls. I'm so proud of you. So now I'm gonna give you small examples, like few words, and then we'll be done for this lesson here, okay? Thank you. And thank you, by the way, for your patience, and thank you for wanting to learn. It's awesome. Arabic language is a beautiful language, and once you get to learn it, you'll be so happy because it's a very rich language. The poetry in Arabic is awesome, and the Quran actually, oh God, it's subhanallah. The Quran, it's marvelous. You will love it very much. Okay, so the words we're going to practice today is this one here. I'm gonna make a sound, then we're gonna write it. Ba ba. You see here? Ba ba. Very good. Ba ba. Very, very sweet. Very nice. Ba ba. And I hope you will do it again with me, okay? By the way, you can pause the video anytime so you can practice on your own. Ba ba. Ba ba. This one here is, and I think you know it. Ba ba. Bun. This one here is bun. So what we do it is like this. First, I write down ba. Then I remember what is bun. Bun is like this. Actually, bun is ba with two dammatan. You remember? Dammatan. Babun. Very good. And this one here, the first one is boo. Very good. We did it, right? Boo. With well. Boo. It's a long one. And then this one here is, when we add ya, it becomes longer e. So boo, be. Very good, girls. Very, very good. So baba, babun, booby. I would like you to pause the video here and practice, okay? Though both by writing them and then repeating them, and try to memorize them as well. So baba, babun, booby, and last two words, booby again, booby. This one here, I gotta do this guy here. I'm gonna ask you a question. Can you write down B, ba, B? B, ba, B. That means my dog, Booby, is at my door. Remember, oh, by the way, thank you for reminding me here actually. Babun is a door. While we are doing, I would love you, by the way, to do this, girls, for me, okay? Thank you. I would like you actually to write down the meaning of the Arabic words. Not only we're going to learn how to read Arabic or to write it, but also to understand it. For example, babun in Arabic is a door. So please write down these words, because this way we're going to enrich our vocabulary. Together, we're going to build our vocabulary. So it's going to be like a bunch of them. Every time we do like a course, a class, we're going to add like more vocabulary. So babun is a door. Babun, a door. Okay? So, okay. Now, I asked you earlier, can you write down B, ba, B? B, ba, B. B, ba, B. So B, let's do it together. B. It's like this. B. B. This is right. B, right? This is B on its own. Ba, 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 B, ba. Together. B, ba. The last one is B at my door. B. B is like this. Right? Very good. So Booby, B, ba, B. That means Booby, my dog, is at my door. B on its own is at. B, ba, B, baby. Okay, practice. Now, write down again ba, B on its own. Ba, B. I'm going to do it together with you guys. Ba, B. Ba, B. Now I'm going to ask you one more favor, and that's it for today. What is baben? Baben. Can you write down baben? Baben. Ba. Remember? Only one fatha. Only one. Ba in alif. Ba. Ben. Ben is with, we say, two fathatan. Fathatan. This is baben. Baben. Thank you so much for your attention. And again, for wanting to learn Arabic. So we're gonna stop here. And next one is gonna be about, I think, the letter ta. حرف التاء. حرف التاء. Until then, I wish you a wonderful day and enjoy the rain outside because it is raining now. Wonderful. Thank you so much and Assalamu alaikum. Bye.